Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want cleaner, softer, and low-maintenance pool water, a salt chlorinator system is a must-have upgrade. In this video, we're diving into the best salt chlorinator systems that make pool care easier by converting salt into natural chlorine, with fewer harsh chemicals and more comfort. All the product links are in the description below, so let's dive in and find the ideal system for your pool. Number 1. CircuPool RJ30 Plus Saltwater Chlorination System. If you're tired of the constant hassle of manually balancing chlorine levels in your pool, the CircuPool RJ30 Plus Saltwater Chlorination System is here to change the game. Designed for pools up to 30,000 gallons, this high-performance system ensures crystal clear, sanitized water without the usual chlorine mess. Effortless installation and compatibility. One of the standout features of the RJ30 Plus is its hassle-free installation. Whether your pool setup runs on 120V or 240V, this system integrates effortlessly with any existing pump and filter, no special modifications required. And here's the best part. Unlike other brands, CircuPool offers a full 7-year warranty with no penalties for DIY installation. That's confidence you can count on. Advanced features for superior performance. At the heart of this system is its OLED digital display, providing real-time insights into your pool's chlorination levels. The heavy-duty construction and premium titanium cell ensure long-term durability, so you can enjoy clean, healthy water for years to come. Plus, the transparent salt cell design allows for quick visual checks. No need to guess when it's time for maintenance. Why choose CircuPool? CircuPool isn't just another brand. It's an American company known for high-quality pool equipment and top-tier customer support. Whether you're upgrading your current system or switching from traditional chlorine, the RJ30 Plus offers reliability, efficiency, and ease of use, making it a must-have for any pool owner. A smart investment for pool owners. With its long-lasting design, powerful performance, and industry-leading warranty. Number 2. Hayward W3T Cell 15 TurboCell. If you want a hassle-free, cost-effective way to keep your pool sparkling clean, the Hayward W3T Cell 15 TurboCell is a top-tier choice. Designed for in-ground pools up to 40,000 gallons, this salt chlorination cell transforms ordinary salt into a steady stream of chlorine, providing silky smooth, sanitized water without the harsh effects of traditional chlorine. Superior water quality with skin-friendly benefits. Say goodbye to eye irritation, dry skin, and that overpowering chlorine smell. The Hayward TurboCell delivers a naturally balanced swimming experience, ensuring crystal clear water that's gentle on swimmers and pool surfaces. Plus, it helps prevent fabric fading, so your swimwear stays vibrant season after season. Cost-effective and efficient chlorination. One of the biggest perks of switching to the W3T Cell 15 is its incredible cost savings. By generating chlorine directly from salt, this system can cut chlorine costs by up to 50%, making it an excellent long-term investment for pool owners. Reliable, NSF-certified performance. Backed by independent NSF certification, the TurboCell ensures top-notch sanitization with proven reliability. Number 3. CircuPool Core 55 Salt Chlorinator. For pool owners seeking powerful, hassle-free chlorination, the CircuPool Core 55 Salt Chlorinator system is a game-changer. Designed for pools up to 55,000 gallons, this fourth-generation system combines cutting-edge technology with easy DIY installation, ensuring a clean, bacteria-free pool without the headaches of traditional chlorine maintenance. Effortless DIY installation and compact design. CircuPool has designed the Core 55 with user convenience in mind. Its revolutionary compact design allows for a quick, no-fuss installation, and unlike many competitors, CircuPool imposes no warranty penalties for DIY installs. This means you can set it up yourself and still enjoy the industry-best 8-year limited warranty. A true testament to its durability and reliability. High-performance chlorination and USA titanium cell. Equipped with a USA-made titanium cell, the Core 55 produces an impressive 2.3 pounds of chlorine per day, ensuring continuous, effective bacteria elimination, and perfectly sanitized water. No more juggling chlorine tablets or dealing with harsh chemicals, just smooth, balanced water every time you dive in. Heavy-duty construction for all conditions. Built to withstand the elements, the Core 55 features an IP66 rated. Number 4. CircuPool Universal 40 Saltwater Chlorinator. If you're looking for a hassle-free, high-performance saltwater chlorinator, the CircuPool Universal 40 is a fantastic choice. Designed for pools up to 40,000 gallons, this complete system easily replaces existing chlorinators in minutes, delivering powerful, consistent chlorine production with minimal effort. Seamless compatibility and DIY-friendly installation. One of the biggest advantages of the Universal 40 is its guaranteed compatibility with popular systems like Hayward W3T, Goldline, SwimPure Plus, and more. This means you can swap out your old system effortlessly without worrying about complex reconfigurations. Even better, CircuPool offers a 4-year limited warranty with no DIY install penalties, making this a stress-free upgrade. Advanced design for easy monitoring and durability. This system isn't just powerful, it's also incredibly user-friendly. The view-through window allows you to check system vitals without opening the door, while the double-boxed packaging ensures safe, damage-free shipping. Built with a durable titanium cell, the Universal 40 is engineered for longevity, keeping your pool sanitized, clear, and bacteria-free season after season. Cost-effective alternative to OEM replacement cells. Considering the price of some OEM replacement cells, the Universal 40 offers a much better value, providing a complete system for just a little more than a replacement part. This makes it an excellent choice for budget-conscious pool owners who still want premium performance and long-term reliability. Number 5. Bestway FlowClear Hydrogenic Saltwater Chlorinator. Keeping your above-ground pool clean, clear, and comfortable has never been easier than with the Bestway FlowClear Hydrogenic Saltwater Chlorinator. Designed for pools up to 7,000 gallons, this compact, digital system effortlessly produces chlorine, ensuring sparkling water without harsh chemical irritation. Gentle on skin, tough on bacteria. Say goodbye to itchy skin, red eyes, and chlorine odors. The Bestway FlowClear creates a steady supply of chlorine using salt electrolysis, providing a gentler and more natural swimming experience. It's perfect for families who want clean water without the discomfort of traditional chlorine treatments. User-friendly and hassle-free maintenance. This system is designed for ultimate convenience. It features an easy-to-use digital control panel and a self-locking function for safety. Plus, the automatic self-cleaning mode reduces buildup, keeping the chlorinator running efficiently with minimal effort. LED indicators let you know when maintenance is needed, taking the guesswork out of pool care.